So I'm here today at Ysgol Gynradd Cymraeg Llyn y Forwyn. Been an absolute pleasure to be here to mark the opening of their fantastic new school. So there's been £18.6 million invested in the new school between Welsh Government and Rhondda Cynon Taf Council. I've had the opportunity to have a tour and I'm blown away by the amazing facilities that they've got. They've got lots of space, it's lovely and light and airy. They've got lots of opportunities for the children to work outside the classrooms, and they've got absolutely amazing outdoor facilities. So it's been a real joy to be here. This is obviously part of our investment in sustainable communities for learning. Since 2014, we've spent £3.6 billion on school buildings, and in the next rolling 9-year programme we're going to be spending £4.5 billion on schools alone. So very significant investment, but fantastic to come and see that made a reality in schools like this.